Alright, so all I have to do is hit this ping pong ball off the paddle and into the circle. Oh! Yes! Alright, now all we have to do is just throw it into that circle. Easy. Yes! Alright, so this one's a little bit different. So if I roll a die on a 6, I lose a life. No! Don't be a 6. Yes!
Now that each of us only had 1 life left, it started getting tense.
Whew. If I miss this, I lose unless James misses. Yes! If I miss this, I lose. Yes! Alright, I have to bounce it into the cup, but it can't fall over. No! Alright, if I make this, I win. No! No! Alright, if I make this, I win. No! Yes! Alright, if I miss this, Brian wins. Yes! Alright, all you have to do is just hit that stack of cups with the ping pong ball and the ping pong ball pad. No, I missed! Alright, if I make this, I win. No! Okay, if I miss this, I lose. Yes! Alright, everyone, if I make this, I win. Yes! I won! Thank you, everyone, for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to Adventure Fun Times, and we'll see you next time.